Exercise bikes are amongst the most popular machines used in homes with little space, and for plenty of good reasons. They, without a doubt, offer the best low-impact cardio workout while burning calories, and they're also easy on your body. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best foldable exercise bike you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Marcy Foldable Exercise Bike. The Marcy NS652 is one of the simplest yet most effective folding exercise bikes for a fulfilling workout and fat burning. Use this bike diligently, and you will end up with not only a healthier heart but also shapelier legs and thighs. It has various resistance settings with 8 preset magnetic tension resistance control options that you can easily use to set the intensity of your workout. You can also monitor the progress of your workout via the bike's display that shows speed, distance, time, and caloric burn. Even though the bike is capable of folding compactly to fit into tiny spaces, it is strongly built with a 14-gauge, high-quality frame. And to protect your floors from scratching or gouging, the base of the bike's stand is rubberized. Pros: quick and easily adjustable seat. Assembly is easy and quick, does not make any noise, stable enough and does not rock whilst pedaling. Cons: no wheels for transport. Number 4. Lanos Foldable Stationary Bike. Coming in 3 bold, bright designs, blue, black and white, this folding bike from Lanos is absolutely for those cyclists with an aesthetic to maintain. It looks as good as you'll feel after your workout. Another 2-in-1 design, it offers both upright and recumbent cycling positions, with a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds and an impressive height range from 4'5'6'5". This is one of the most versatile bikes on our list, offering 10 different levels of impressive magnetic tension. The different levels of intensity let you adjust your routine for a more varied experience that feels fresh and exciting every time. All you have to do is turn the knob. A precision-balanced flywheel ensures your ride will be quiet and hassle-free. Folding down is as simple as pulling a lever, and inbuilt transportation wheels make maneuvers and relocations even easier than ever. Pros: 10 levels of magnetic resistance to choose between. Precision balanced for a smooth ride. Adjustable plush seat with backrest. Cons: the pulse sensor can be a little hit. Number 3. LEIKE Folding Exercise Bike. Whether used as a recumbent or an upright bike, the LEIKE from LEIKE Fitness assists you in exercising different muscle groups so you can maximize your workout, generating very little noise as it does so. Perfect for smaller apartment buildings. Customize your routine and make use of the 10 different magnetic tension levels. This is a bike that works for beginners and professionals alike, able to provide an exercise regimen appropriate for any level of experience. The low-footprint folding frame design and inbuilt wheels allow you to pack away and relocate the bike after every use if you want to save floor space outside of workout time. It's a small but mighty machine. An HD electronic screen and movable dial allow you to display real-time updates about your progress, including measuring your heart rate via the handlebars. No need to memorize any information for your workout journal. Pros: 10 resistance levels. Strong, quiet in motion. Cons: not yet. Number 2. ProGear Folding Exercise Bike. This stationary bike uses a 3-piece crank system that uses magnetic tension to provide you a fluid and smooth pedaling motion. With a dual flywheel, it provides you with a higher resistance level, up to 8. Without taking as much space. It comes with an air-cushioned seat that can be adjusted depending on your height, adjustable straps to secure your feet as you pedal, and a leg stabilizer at the back to prevent any tipping or movement from the bike. With additional transportation wheels provided, you can move and store the ProGear 225 exercise foldable bike anywhere. Pros: high-quality durable pedals, adjustable leg stabilizers, ergonomic comfy seat. Cons: the maximum weight limit is 220 pounds. Number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. Designed to accommodate users between 5'3" and 6'1", With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, the space-saving design of the Exerpeutic folding bike is ideal for athletes who are short of space but still want to get in a solid workout. High torque, 3-piece crank and double-drive transmission systems make for a sturdy, stable ride in spite of its lighter weight and foldable nature. The 8-level magnetic tension control system allows users to effortlessly adjust resistance. Both the seat and the pedals are designed to be larger and more comfortable than average, for added comfort, whilst the safety straps minimize risk of injury by preventing foot slippage, even when you're really going for it. Pros: hand pulse sensors monitor, clear LCD window display, 8 levels of magnetic tension. Cons: some assembly required once it arrives. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.